Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I call it Twitter in 30 seconds, although if you know me, you know I can't do anything in 30 seconds. I like to talk, sometimes too much. Anyways, I wanted to give you a couple of tips on how to use Twitter. We're going to start with one tip anyways. I had a couple PMs on Facebook wondering, what do I do with Twitter? How do I get started? So I figured I'd invite you into the spaceship office here. I've got the brand new iMac 27. I love it. It's super fast, 16 gigs of RAM. It's wicked awesome. Then THX mics, which have replaced the older mics. Mac, PCs, that sort of thing. This one controls the phone system for the radio show. As you can tell, it's all wired in now. Right here somewhere. And so, anyways, back to the Twitter thing. Very simple. If you want to get started with Twitter, log into your account. Yours will probably look a little different than mine. I'm logged into mine right now. As you can tell, I did a custom skin on the background. So, I mean, yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me. It's pretty brutal. But anywho, plug some social networking on the other side. Huh? The best way to get started, I would say, if you're new to the whole thing, take a peek off to the side here. There's a thing that says trends. Those are the top 10 items trending on Twitter right now. One of those, of course, being Roll Up the Rim. And right in the very front, sorry about the shaky hand there, you'll see that little symbol, that number sign. That's a hashtag. So anytime that you put a hashtag in the conversation or anything that you tweet about, you will show up in other people's tweets. You're going to show up in any conversation involving that trend. So anybody that's talking about Roll Up the Rim in the Twitterverse, you'll show up there. So it's a great way to start building some followers very quickly. And another thing I would suggest, definitely ask questions. People love to sound like an expert. People want to feel like they're an expert. And if they can answer a few of your questions, they're definitely going to add you on Twitter. As you add more people, they'll add you, that sort of thing. And slow but sure, you can build your amount of followers. Again, the main thing to look at right here, two numbers. Let me see, right there. The amount of followers that you have should always be higher than those that you're following, because that means your stock on Twitter is a little higher. It should never be the other way around, because then it just shows that you're following a bunch of people and nobody's really following you because they don't care about what you have to say. But that's a good start to get started on Twitter. If you have any questions, let me know. And let me know if you like the video. If you do, I'll add some more in the next little while. I just thought it might be a neat idea to kind of help out a few people that ask, you know, they've got a Twitter account, and what do I do with it?